To adjust equalizer settings on POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select sound and vibration. Right after that we can scroll to the bottom and enter sound effects. This will allow you to pick a sound effect. There will still be Atmos and Xiaomi sound. There's also original option, but those do not offer any kind of equalizer. So you need to either pick Xiaomi sound or Dolby. Now when you have one of those options, go to the graphic equalizer, which allows you to switch between different presets for your equalizer. So choose the one that you like or just prefer. I recommend to do it while listening to music. And also you can go for a custom option and adjust all of the levelers for the equalizer manually, like so. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.